Great news, guys. The episodes involving Scarlet and Violet have come back. And for tonight, we're going to draw the ostrich Pokemon, Espathra. Alright. Getting started on drawing Espathra. Start by drawing the upper half. All you have to do is start drawing this part here. Yeah, I know what you all have asked. Are there going to be more Pokemon showing up for the new Pokédex? And is Pokemon Home gonna be adding new data? Don't worry, guys. I'll show you that in the next episode. Now, here's the real question for you. When are you going to add dinosaurs to your page? Don't worry, guys. If you saw on the comments in the description for my episode including Dr. Deep, I promise that I'll be drawing actual dinosaurs premiering on April 7th. I don't know why I picked it for April 7th. It's just April is my favorite month. Reminds me of stepping back in time. There we are. There's Espathra's feathers. There we are. Alexa, play Celestial.
Here's Celestial by Ed Sheeran on Amazon Music.
You see, tonight it could go either way. Hearts balanced on a razor blade. We are designed to love and break, then to rinse and repeat it all again. I get stuck when the world's too loud and things don't look up when you're going down. I know your arms are reaching out from somewhere beyond the clouds. You make me feel like my troubled heart is a million miles away. You make me feel like I'm drunk on stars and we're dancing out into space. Celestial.
And finished. There he is. That's how you draw Espathra from Pokemon Scarlet and Violet. I don't know why I look up to this Pokemon. I just find good habits in her. Anyway, consider this one amazing. I know, right? And like I mentioned before, April 7th, my promise to you will come to fruition. That's all for now, guys. Good night.